And it's only $1,000. They're never gonna go bad. They're non-fungible. Right? Oh wait, hold on. People are here. Give me a second. Okay, bye, mom. Hey, that's kind of awkward. It was kind of busy on the phone with my mom. Don't worry about that. I think I got something pretty special today. We've been talking since the reveal of the Steam machine. We've been talking about SteamOS and running Steam on machines that usually should not be able to run Steam. I was like, what about Android devices? So I've got a little selection here of devices from semi-old to fairly new. So I've got here S21 FE, S23 FE, Z Fold 3, S24 Ultra, and a Pixel 10 Pro XL. I'm gonna test something. So while I install all of this, let me explain to you what I'm doing. There's a new app that's been released a few months ago called GameHub that is supposedly supposed to allow you to play your Steam games natively on your Android device. Now, I haven't tried that. I've installed it on all of my phones here, not this one, on all of my phones here. What do you mean? So yeah, first I'll address the elephant in the room. Yes, I know. It's from a Chinese company. Yeah, I know. A lot of people are worried about data privacy and stuff like that because you need to create an account and you need to link your Steam account with it. But I've owned stuff from GameSir for a while. I've owned this controller for close to 6 years, and it is from GameSir. I also bought this one, which I'm gonna be using for this video. This thing here, it's also for GameSir. Yes, it's a Chinese company, but it's not like they're asking you for that much. All you need is to create an account with them, which you can make a dummy email for. You can connect through Steam with a QR code. You don't need to give them your Steam password, which if you use the QR code and two-factor, you should not worry about it. And what are you gonna do with your Steam password? Are they gonna buy games for you? Are they gonna look at your KD on Call of Duty and laugh at you? Like, who cares? Sorry, that was my hot take of the night. So I'll create an account, the same account on all of these, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. We're connecting on all 5 of the phones. So now, what I should have to do on each phone is to go into Steam account management, and then we're gonna have to blur all of this out. Well, I'm going to connect on my Steam account on all of these devices. Can I do it multiple times before my Steam account gets deleted? Let's see. Can I do it again? Yes, it's me. It is allowing me. Awesome. Oh, see, now it's loading. It might not like having like 7 failed loading QR code. Okay, we'll wait a little bit more. I really hope Steam won't delete my account thinking I'm a bot or something now. Okay, that was terrifying. I've been farting around for about 30 minutes because I could not have access to my Steam account anymore on my computer even. So don't try to do this at home, multiple devices at once. We're gonna start only on the most powerful device, which is my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL here. But here how it works. You're connected to your Steam account, and then you go into Steam, and then you got all of your games here. All of your Steam games are just over here. Now my question is, if I use this, yes, it just works. Okay, so let's try and play a game that I know will run on this. Let's just try to play some bilateral. I can download the game. It says about 63 megabytes. Keep your screen on. Don't ask again. And install. We'll keep this running, and I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Launching client. Here we go. So I got a mouse and keyboard. I got a mouse anyway. I don't have bilateral running. Mouse is running pretty well. Oh, we'll let it do its thing. In the meanwhile, I'll try to download Castle Crashers. That's a pretty old game, right? Oh. Something happened here for a second. Oh. Maybe I just didn't wait long enough. Hey, hold up. Let's try to put some music on this. Well. Is there any way to put it like actually full screen? Like a wide aspect ratio? Maybe not in this game. But yo, it's running. Pretty stable 60. Well, somewhat stable 60. Yeah, I do have my saves. Okay, cool. Exit. Cool, okay. Oh, it just works. Yes. Okay, so let's try to connect the Samsung instead. Plus, this device just fits perfectly with this. No sound though, eh? It's kind of a bummer. I like this little overlay as well. So clearly this still works. So it says it's compatible. My issue right now is sound. Compatibility. Can I try Proton 10 instead? Let's try that. Funny, because I was getting sound from Balatro. Balatro, however you want to pronounce that. Okay, so I've seen something. When it says level 0 on your Steam account, unless you're actually level 0, it does not have access to your Steam account anymore. So that's why I cannot download anything. Okay, so all I kind of want to do now is try it on this device. Because having it on this screen would be incredible. See now, if I go back, I can see my level 16 on Steam. See, level is still not really functioning. So there's something about your Steam account and being connected on more than one device that Steam does not enjoy for some reason. It's sad because like the level of polish of the app is incredible. Like this is super polished. It runs well, the little sounds is fine, the settings are nice, the layout, being able to check your controller stuff, the animations as well. It's just that maybe it's just because I'm stupid and I tried to connect 7 fucking computers and devices at the same time. So yeah, there's something about this phone that just works so much better than any other phone I have. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of my Steam account. Is it because it's just the right, not too old, not too new? Because this one is about 4 years old, and this one is like less than 3 months old. Is it like the Goldilocks? Plus, let's be honest, this phone fits perfectly with this. It looks like literally looks like a Switch 2 or something. It's perfect. All right, that was fast for 6 gigs. Let's see if both game and sound works on this. I'm gonna. Uh-oh. Focus, Jesus. It just works. Pay the price. I had to. Sorry. Okay, bro. It's just working. Doesn't feel like there's any delay or anything. Let's also just do a level. Bear in mind, I haven't played Cuphead in so long. This is just like this is running super smooth. Like I don't see like. Ow, I forgot about this level completely. I'm trying to do more than one thing at once. Yeah, if you look down, it's a solid 120 almost the whole time. There's some tiny dips, but like, come on. Yeah, Jesus, this is. I don't know how to think up it anymore. This is just running. Let's try something else. I mean, we have to try like Half-Life. So there's some games with check marks. Let's try Skyrim, why not? Now it's to chug a little because I'm trying to download a few games at once, and it says to stay on here while it downloads for faster speed. So I'm gonna do that again. Let's stay on here and see if it's any faster. Okay, yeah, definitely is way faster. Okay. Good to know. It said compatibility unknown, and I'm not sure if this game has like, what's it called, Steam Pad compatibility or Steam Controller compatibility, whatever. We'll see if it works. Yeah, that's what I was worried. Does not have compatibility for this, so I would need to do mouse and keyboard. Okay, so this one does not work. That's okay. It happens. One thing I've heard a lot of people say is, how is this any better than running Steam Link? Which is true. Steam Link would run basically any game. If you're playing it on the same network, there's basically no delay. There is some, but depends on some games, it's not really noticeable. So What's the advantage? Well, first, you don't need to stay on the same network, or you don't even have to have your computer open. Let's say you're on vacation on the other side of the world and you forgot to open your computer, and you're not a nerd and you don't have a way to SSH to your computer or something. Well, there's a way to play your game. Well, when it works. It just has a level of polish that I did not expect. Genuinely. Now, is it like SteamOS? Not really. The interface is very similar. And granted, even on SteamOS, on a Steam Deck, you're not gonna be able to play all your games. You'll have compatibility issues. But you'll have less issues than this, clearly. But this is still very new. And when the release of SteamOS on ARM with the Steam machine, I'm thinking this might get a whole lot better soon. Now, of course, if your main idea is to run AAA games, don't do this. It's just stupid. But for someone like me, who most of the time they play, you know, old games, boomer shooters, or indie games like, you know, Dave the Diver, Cuphead, Silksong may run well on this. I think it's a great idea. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, let's see. You could also just buy your game on another console and play it on your Switch and on your computer and on your Rogue Ally or whatever else you're using. But you're not gonna get, you know, device by device saves. You're not gonna want that all the time. If you play like a little game where you don't really care about the story, you just want to play a game like Balatro, I'm pretty sure it's fine. If you're gonna play like an RPG like Skyrim, or you're gonna play like, I don't know, Clair Obscur, you might not want to start your game again every single time. What is this? Running pretty well too. And this is a brand new game apparently. Okay, let me try something. First off, frame limit. Let me see if I can push this thing. I just realized I don't get any voice acting. I'm not getting any of the music or of the people talking. Yeah, we're not getting anything. Well, my camera's about to die, and I don't know what else to try anymore. So, I'm guessing this is a case-to-case scenario where some games might work amazingly well for you, some might not. Every other week, there's a new update for these. Try it on your device, try to see if it works, and just the fact that I could run any game on this is exceptional. It's amazing. So if you're interested in following me, I have a Discord and a Patreon in the description. I also have a Twitch and a second YouTube channel. But for now, that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when these work.